Hello, welcome. Let's try to solve another Leetcode problem. 518, coefficients 2. So the only difference from coefficients 1 is that we are going to count how many different ways, and we just want to choose how many coefficients that are gonna count up to the sum of them are gonna be equal to the amount 5. So for example, this 5 is a 5, and 1 plus 2 plus 2 is a 5, and there's gonna be 1 plus 1, and there will be 5 ones, so it's gonna still be 5. For this example, there are going to be 4 different ways. Yeah. So this is a unbounded knapsack problem. Yeah. It's going to be the similar to coefficient 1. Only difference is the return. We're going to count how many different ways. I solved it in DP before, but I think DP is still the idea is the same, but DP is a little bit harder to write. Basically, the easiest way to write the code is going to be DFS plus memorization. So I'm going to use this way to solve the problem this time, because this is more easier to write and understand. So I'm going to design I and T. I going to be the index starting from 0, T going to be the target. It's going to be the total sum. Yeah. So I'm going to call the function, definitely I'm going to call this f with 0 and 0. This means from the beginning, the index is going to be starting from 0, and the target is going to be 0 from the beginning. I'm going to prepare n going to be length to the coils. Yeah. Now let's just write the unbounded knapsack. So if this t target is more than the amount, definitely this is not possible. But we are going to count how many different ways, so we need to return 0. This means there's 0 ways currently. Now we're gonna check this I if it is equal to n, so we're gonna return 1. This means we find one way. If we find one way, so the condition is t equal to the amount. So otherwise, this means we didn't find, so we're gonna return a 0. And then we're gonna return the minimum, the total sum of 2 different ways. So we're gonna select it and not select it. So this means it's gonna be DFS with we will not select it. It's gonna be I plus 1 with t. And then we're gonna select it. It's gonna be I with t plus, because this is an unbounded knapsack, so it's gonna be I. Yeah, it means for the next time we can still choose this 5. So for the first time we choose a 5, and next time we can still choose this 5. Yeah. So here it's gonna be t plus cois I. Yeah. And this is gonna be the final solution. Let me change it to f. Currently we're gonna use this f. Yeah. And now let me just run it to have a check if it works. Now as you can see, it works. Now let me submit it. Yeah, as you can see, it works. Although the speed is not the fastest speed, but this is the easiest way to understand the problem. Yeah. And the time complexity is gonna be 300 times this 5000, because this I is the length of the array, and this t is the target. It's gonna be bounded to 5000. I think that's about it. Thank you.